Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The SLK Halo pickleball paddles are designed to enhance performance on the pickleball court with a focus on spin, consistency, and power. The Halo Pro and Halo Control models feature a high-quality carbon fiber surface, which provides excellent durability and a responsive feel, ideal for aggressive play and spin generation. Both paddles utilize a RevCore power polymer core, which offers a good balance of power and control, helping players to execute accurate shots with confidence. This core design enhances the paddle's ability to absorb vibrations, reducing the impact on the arm and improving overall comfort during extended play sessions. The SLK Halo series caters to different playing styles. The Halo Pro is built for players seeking maximum spin and power, offering a larger sweet spot and a thicker profile for more aggressive shots. Its carbon fiber face and polymer core combine to deliver a powerful punch, making it ideal for players who prioritize aggressive play and quick reactions at the net. On the other hand, the Halo Control is tailored for players looking for better control and touch around the court. It features a thinner profile and a softer feel, allowing for greater finesse and precision. The carbon fiber surface and RevCore power polymer core provide a softer, more forgiving touch, making it easier to play shots accurately and maintain consistency. Both models are designed to optimize spin and consistency. The carbon fiber surface enhances the ability to generate spin, allowing players to add more rotation to the ball for greater shot variety. The RevCore power polymer core helps maintain the paddle's stability and responsiveness, ensuring that shots remain consistent and powerful. The SLK Halo pickleball paddles are an excellent choice for players of all skill levels who are looking for a versatile paddle that combines power, spin, and control for a competitive edge on the pickleball court. Number 2. The USAPA-approved Fiberglass surface pickleball paddles set is designed for both men and women, offering a high-quality, versatile option for pickleball enthusiasts of all skill levels. This set typically includes multiple paddles, often 2 to 4, along with pickleballs, making it an excellent choice for both singles and doubles play. The paddles feature a fiberglass surface, which provides a good combination of power, touch, and durability. The fiberglass material allows for a slightly softer feel and enhanced control, making it easier to execute precise shots and maintain consistency during play. The set is USAPA approved, ensuring that it meets the standards for competitive play, which means the paddles are suitable for official tournaments and leagues. This approval adds credibility and makes the set an attractive choice for serious players looking to improve their game. The fiberglass surface offers excellent spin potential, allowing players to generate more topspin and slice on the ball for a greater range of shot options. The lightweight construction of the paddles helps to reduce strain on the arm and wrist, making them ideal for long play sessions. They are ergonomically designed with comfortable grips that absorb moisture and reduce vibrations, enhancing comfort and control during play. The set typically includes a variety of colorful paddles, catering to personal preferences and team coordination. This makes the set not only functional but also visually appealing. Overall, the USAPA-approved fiberglass surface pickleball paddles set is a well-rounded choice for players looking for quality, performance, and versatility. It provides the necessary tools for competitive play, while also accommodating casual players and beginners with its forgiving and responsive design. Whether for singles or doubles play, this set delivers excellent value, making it a popular choice for pickleball enthusiasts looking to enhance their game. Number 3. The Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle offers a complete package for pickleball players, combining 2 high-quality graphite paddles with essential accessories for an all-in-one setup. This bundle includes 2 SLK Latitude paddles, 3 pickleballs, and a convenient carrying bag, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced players. The SLK Latitude paddles feature a G4 graphite face, which provides a combination of power, touch, and spin. The graphite surface offers a solid feel and excellent responsiveness, allowing players to generate more spin on the ball and maintain better control during play. The G4 graphite face is known for its durability and lightweight construction, making these paddles comfortable to use for extended periods without causing strain. The polymer rev core inside the paddles enhances their performance by providing a softer feel and improved shock absorption, reducing the impact on the arm and wrist. This core design also helps to dampen vibrations, making it more forgiving on off-center hits. The bundle includes 3 high-quality pickleballs, which are perfect for practice or play. These balls are designed for consistent bounce and durability, ensuring they perform well on various court surfaces. The included carrying bag is both practical and stylish, providing a convenient way to transport the paddles and balls to and from the court. Its compact size allows players to easily pack the set in the trunk of a car or carry it to local courts, making it ideal for players on the go. Overall, the Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle is a well-rounded package that offers great value. It's designed to meet the needs of players at all skill levels, from beginners looking to get into the sport to more advanced players seeking high-performance equipment. The inclusion of a graphite face, RevCore polymer core, quality pickleballs, and a practical carrying bag makes this bundle a complete solution for pickleball enthusiasts, enhancing both the gameplay experience and convenience on the court. Number 4. The Onix Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball paddles are designed to deliver a premium playing experience with a focus on comfort, performance, and durability. These paddles feature a graphite construction, combining lightweight properties with a solid feel, making them ideal for both aggressive and strategic play. The graphite material enhances the paddle's durability and provides a good balance of power and control, offering a responsive surface for shot precision and spin. The Z5 series is particularly well suited for players looking for a paddle that can handle both fast-paced rallies and delicate touch shots around the net. One of the standout features of the Onix Graphite Mod Z5 paddles is their cushion comfort grip. This grip is designed to absorb shock and reduce vibrations during play, which helps minimize the strain on the hand and arm, especially during long play sessions. The grip material provides a tacky feel, allowing players to maintain a secure and comfortable hold on the paddle. This is particularly beneficial for players who suffer from hand fatigue or discomfort from prolonged play. The cushion comfort grip also adds to the overall ergonomic design of the paddle, making it easier to maneuver and control during play. These paddles are approved for USAPA tournament play, ensuring they meet the standards for competitive pickleball. The combination of the graphite face and cushion comfort grip allows players to maximize their performance on the court. The Z5 series is versatile enough to cater to players of all skill levels, from beginners to advanced players looking for a paddle that offers both power and precision. The inclusion of a balanced weight distribution further enhances their playability, providing a well-rounded paddle that excels in both defensive and offensive play. In summary, the Onix Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball paddles with cushion comfort grip are an excellent choice for pickleball enthusiasts seeking a high-quality, comfortable, and versatile paddle. The graphite construction, combined with a grip designed for comfort, ensures a responsive and enjoyable playing experience, making these paddles suitable for players who prioritize both power and control in their game. Number 5. The Joola Essentials Pickleball paddles offer a high-quality, affordable option for players looking to enhance their game with reliable equipment. These paddles are constructed with a reinforced fiberglass surface, which provides a good balance of durability and responsiveness. The fiberglass surface enhances the paddle's ability to generate spin and accuracy, offering a lively feel that's suitable for both offensive and defensive play. This material is known for its lightweight properties, which contribute to quick reflexes and improved shot placement on the court. The fiberglass surface also helps in maintaining a consistent bounce and enhances the overall durability of the paddle, ensuring it holds up well to the rigors of regular play. One of the key features of the Joola Essentials paddles is their honeycomb polypropylene core. This core material provides an excellent combination of power and comfort. The honeycomb structure allows for greater shock absorption and reduced vibrations, making the paddle easier on the hands and wrists during extended play. This core also aids in generating a more forgiving and responsive feel, which is particularly beneficial for beginners and intermediate players who are still developing their skills. The core material not only enhances the paddle's overall durability but also ensures a more comfortable and controlled playing experience. The Joola Essentials paddles are USAPA approved, making them suitable for both casual play and competitive tournaments. The combination of the fiberglass surface and the honeycomb core provides a versatile paddle that excels in various playing situations. The reinforced construction ensures that players can enjoy a consistent and reliable performance with each shot. Whether it's for beginners learning the game or advanced players looking for an affordable backup paddle, the Joola Essentials paddles deliver excellent value and performance. The balanced weight distribution and ergonomic design make them easy to handle and suitable for all playing styles, offering a well-rounded package for pickleball enthusiasts. In summary, the Joola Essentials pickleball paddles are a practical choice for players seeking a durable, comfortable, and versatile paddle.